first time. Good luck, Gibbs. It's your first time. First time. You can do that. Oh, you can do that. Very good. It's first time. It's first time. You can do that, Gibbs. You can do that. Straight. Going here. Going here. Yeah. Alisin mo muna kaya yung ano niya, yung mask, para makahinga siya maayos. Yan. Oh, handsome. On the middle. Go in the center. Oh. First driving. First driving. Okay. Like her, oh. See, she here, oh. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, you see? Very nice, very good. Very good. You see? It's bigger one. Hi, how old are you? Oh, you see? Oh, she can do that. Oh, see? This bigger one. Oh, see? Oh, oh, she's very good. Oh, very good. Yes. Oh, you can go there. Yeah. You can go there. Yes. Yes. You can move around here. Enough space here. How do you find it, Gibbs? Your first time driving?
Yeah.
Are you happy? Excited?
Excited.
Excited. Oh. Very good. Very good. Are you tired? Oh, you see that one? She's good. Yes. Maybe a little bit. Time after time, by and by, you will be like them. See? Sa bike, no? Hindi ba dati yung bike niya? Ay, pambata kasi yun eh. Oh, pwede pa lang i-ganon, no? Pwede, oh. Asan dadaan? Ah, doon dadaan. Oh, you see, oh? His baby, but yet you see. Hi. How old are you?
3.
3. Oops. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Oh, ang galing niya. Galing.
But I don't have a double license.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's your first time. You can learn a little by little. Yes. Oh.
Is it broken or not?
No, that's not broken. That's normal because it's your first time. It's your first time. First time is hard. That's normal. Oh. You're driving backward? Okay. We love you, Gibbs. I love you so much. Oops. Pati yung katawan nyo. Oops. Hindi pa siya marunong tawag na magpreno o yung magkambyo. Ano ba yun? Pedal. Love you, Gibbs. You can do that, Gibbs. That's normal. It's good that you started and you're starting to learn biking. Oh, how you going to turn it round? Oh, how? Di siya- ay, kasama yan sa occupational therapy, di ba? Oo. Nakakamiss si teacher Jack. Do you still remember teacher Jack? Tama, teacher Jack, di ba? Teacher Jack. Teacher Jack. Mm. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, very nice. Oh, very nice. Okay, you can, and then
Power up.
power up. Yes, that's good. Power up. A little bit effort.
Yeah, make me fall down.
Yan. No, you will not be fall down. It's normal you feel like that because it's your first time. Love you, Gibbs. Oh? What happened?
Ah!
What? Huh? No, it's not. Just like that.
I thought it's dirty.
Oh. Oops. Be careful. What the heck? What the gives? You say what the gives? Okay. What the heck? What is heck? Saan nakaano niya yung heck?
Ano po yun?
What?
Parang bad word po yun.
Ay, palitan mo na lang na mas What a gives? You change it. Oh, very good. Oh, you can turn. Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay. Yes. Okay. Turn around a little bit. Yeah. Okay, you do it by yourself. Turn around and go there. The other way around. Let's go back in that area where you have been. That's it. Very good. Very nice. You're learning. Oh, you see it? Okay. Going straight. Go straight. That's straight. Very good. You know na. See? Oh. Okay. Finish up to that end. Okay. Very good. You can do that, Gibbs. Yes. It's your first time and you're very good. First time po niya ng apo kong mahal. Ang Gibbs, Kuya Gibbs. Next time, mas maganda po uli kapag kasama ang asa ko pang apong si Jenny. Okay. Very good. Love you, Gibbs. Very good. Love you. Yes, you made it. Very good, you made it. Very good. Thank you so much po.